Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I'm going to get some help today and finish up this passion fruit vining trellis. It's going to connect all the way up to the awning right here and a little bit over here on the eave. So we're going to see how it goes. I'll show you the update after we're finished. Alright everyone. So here we are. Worked out really well. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 paracords that are going straight up to the eave and also attached to a 2x4 redwood, primered and painted with exterior premium paint. So slowly and slowly the passion fruit vines will start climbing up, going straight up and providing shade in the afternoon in the summer. And just in these past few hours, one's already attached, as you can see right here, to the climbing part. I attached it with the plant tape, the green tape, and then it just climbed up and already attached. And that's within a few hours. So there shouldn't be no problem of this climbing all the way to the top by the end of July. Hopefully by the middle of July. And beautiful, beautiful passion flowers too. My wife's loving that. And then these two are a highly edible fruit that I've tried before. The purple possum or possum purple and the Frederick. They're very delicious. So it's just a matter of time till those climb up to this rope and come up to here and keep going. Alright everyone. Happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and